Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Audi A6 with its key. First, familiarize yourself with your key fob. Even if the remote isn't working, there's a mechanical key hidden inside. You'll need to eject this key blade to manually unlock the door. This method is crucial if your key fob battery is dead or the car's battery is low. It's a simple, reliable backup for gaining entry. To begin, locate the small release button or switch on your Audi key fob and slide out the metal key blade. Next, find the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be covered by a small cap that you can gently pry off with the key blade itself. Insert the mechanical key fully into the lock cylinder and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. You should hear a distinct click as the lock disengages. If the door doesn't unlock immediately, ensure the key is fully inserted and you're turning it firmly in the correct direction. Sometimes, the lock mechanism can be a bit stiff, especially if it's rarely used. Once unlocked, open the door. The car's alarm might sound, but you can usually silence it by inserting the key fob into the ignition or pressing the start button. This process ensures you can always access your Audi A6. Remember to replace your key fob battery periodically to avoid needing the manual unlock method frequently. Most Audi key fobs use a standard coin cell battery, which is easy to change. Keeping a spare key, perhaps in a secure location, is also a smart practice for any vehicle owner. This ensures you're never stranded. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.